Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, what we'll be discussing about is border color. With the border color property, you can set the color of the border. For example, you can have your border color property along with what? With the value, the color value. So quickly, let me show you how it works. In our previous tutorial, this is how our previous tutorial looks. This is how it looks, and also this is how our code looks. This is the code that shows that brought out this, as you can see. So if you don't know how we got here, you can have, I will advise you to watch our previous tutorial, because I can't repeat myself right now because I don't want this tutorial to get too long. So right now, let me show you what I want to talk about today. Border color. This is border color, right? So we want to turn this border color to blue violet. So the table header and the table data cell, this cell here and the cell but at the bottom here, these two cell here, this one here and this first column and the second column here, both of it will turn to blue violet. So let me reload our document. Can you see how it looks? Now the border color have changed. So that's the benefit of using the border color. And you can use any type. You can use the color anyhow you want. You can use we have discussed about this type of color also. This is in our X tutorial. We have discussed about this. So you can use anyhow color you want, anyhow you want it. We have discussed about this in our previous tutorial. I will advise you to go and watch our color tutorial where we discuss about colors. So in our color tutorial, I've discussed about colors, where how you can specify better colors. So how you can get better color, we specify RGB, X color, different type of colors inside the previous tutorial. So you can use RGB also. So you can use 168. You can use 222, and you can use 25. So let's see how it looks. We have discussed about the colors in our previous tutorial. You can watch our previous tutorial on how we explain the colors very well in deep details, so you can be able to know how to use colors in your whatever code you are writing. So this is the border color for you right now. And in our previous tutorial, I forgot to tell you guys something. In case you don't want this border to be there again, let's say we want to remove this border, we don't want it. There is one property we can use in our border style property. In our border style property, border style property, when we were discussing about border style that time, I forgot to tell you guys, you can use none. When you use border none, this border here will disappear. Can you see? No border there again. And you can also use border hidden also in our style property. We forgot to discuss about it also. Border style hidden. When you use hidden also, it also works like none also. So let's use to remove this one. Can you see? It's gone. And if you want them back, you can just put type of border you want. But right now, let's say at the top we have already specified border here. You can see this is also the same thing. It's also the same. So let's remove this one and leave it on solid. Let's bring back our document. Can you see the solid is back? And again, let's say this border here, now the border style here is not. We want to activate it back. We can remove this one because we have already specified border style property here, which is groove, and save our document and come back. Our border, our sub will come back again. I hope you are enjoying my tutorial. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye to the next.